Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to change your voice to a girl's voice and an Instagram voice message using easy methods that actually works in 2025. Whether you're doing for fun, content creation, or privacy, this guide will make you through and step by step. Let's jump straight into it. So, first things first, an Instagram doesn't have a built-in voice changer. That means we will be using a third-party app to record your message, change the voice, and then upload to Instagram. Start by downloading a voice changer app. Some of the base free options including voice changer with effects on Android or voice mode clips for iOS. These apps let you record audio and apply different filters. And yes, there is a girl voice effect included. Open the app and record your message. Once you're done, tap on the girl voice or female pitch filter. Some apps may label it helium, young woman, or just female. Now, save the final audio to your phone. On most apps, that's simple as tapping export or save to files. Next, open Instagram and go to the chart where you want to send the voice message. Since Instagram doesn't let you upload audio files directly into DMs, we will take it a little shortcut. Use the screen record features on your phone and play the modified voice message while recording. And make sure to capture the clean audio without background noise. Then stop the screen recording. Trim it if necessary, and now you've got a short video clip with a modified voice. Head back to Instagram, open the chat again, and tap Gallery or Camera Roll icon to the next message box. Select your video and send it. And that's how you change your voice in an Instagram voice message. It might be a few extra steps, but once you get used to it, it's a quick and super fun to use. Alright guys, if this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the videos, drop any questions below, or for future topics idea in the comments, and hit that subscribe button for more simple guides just like this. Catch you in the next one.